Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to stop Microsoft Edge from continuously asking you if you want it to be set as the default browser on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Microsoft Edge web browser, and you want to go up to the address bar, and you want to type in edge and then a colon // flags, FLAGS, hit enter. In the search flags field, you want to type in show feature, and best match should come back with show feature and workflow recommendations. I recommend clicking inside the drop down here, select disabled, and then you will need to restart Microsoft Edge for the change to take effect. And that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.